Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals, and I am here to memory plan the month of October in my Erin Condren Life Planner. I'm using this kit from Plannerface, the October monthly kit. I have some washi overlays from myself pulled out, different ones that might go. I've got my new tinies pulled out, so there are different designs in these. So I've got sparkles, stars, bows and hearts there. And then I have my usual stickers that I think I might need pulled out there. So these are the washies I'm using. These ones are all from Simply Gilded and this one is from Colourful & Co. So as usual, we're going to start with the covers, and I'm going to cut off the Sunday strips to use my Monday start strips, which I don't know what I've done with. Having done that, I'm just going to pop the sidebar down. That is ever so slightly wonky, but it's fine. I'm just trying to remember, is this my planner that actually it has a Monday start? Yes. So I'm going to cover up the 4 days in the month with these day box covers. So there we have the basis of the kit down. So next we're going to pop in some bits and pieces. So the main one to mark is my mum went away to see my sister for quite a lot of the month because of Felix. Then my mum's friend came to stay from this day, from the Thursday to the Saturday. Mum was meant to be coming back to see her, but obviously Felix was born on this day and because of all the complications she couldn't. I think they're the only things I need to mark in big, so let's cut off the washi. So there we go, that is the basis all done. Let's pop in the flags for these two. So I'm just going to use the plain flags from this bit. I'm going to use the green one and the purple one and switch the order in which they are. So obviously put the purple one on the green washi and vice versa. Then I've just got these two stickers to pop on those. There we go. So that is all the bases done. So let's move into the day by day. What I haven't done is I haven't put, oh no, I don't need date dots. I'm being funny. So on this day I had lots of problems doing some foiling. So I'm just going to mark that. I'm going to mark this lot at the top in the hope that we can squidge a 4 box between these here. So let's just pull out these stickers here, and I sort these into weeks to make my life easier, because what I'll do is I'll do all of this side of the page and then all of the other side of the page, so then I just use like the first half, if that makes sense. The second we had I pulled out 2 stickers for that, a plan conference call to try and sort out bits and pieces for that, and that's the same colour. I don't want to use that one, do I? Let's use a pink half box for that, which as I just said, I have pulled out 2 stickers for somehow. I don't know how I managed to do that, but I have. So and just pop that down. And this is an oops from my shop, just to clarify. Thursday I had a bit of a panic attack, so I think I'm going to pop that onto a flag. Just to try and change up how these things are looking. So I just don't want everything in a little row. That's there on the 3rd. Then we're going to jump to the 7th, which was my sister's due date. It was also her wedding anniversary and I was feeling pretty crappy. So they're the 3 things I'm going to mark. It's just how I'm going to mark those things. And then that'll do. So BK's due date, their wedding anniversary, and the fact I was feeling rubbish. That's the 7th. On the 8th I had a super productive day, which I think again I'm going to pop onto a flag. Fabulous, that's the 8th, and let's pull that down a tiny bit if those stickers will come up. 9th, my boyfriend was quite down and then there's something else to mark, and I'm just going to mark it and leave you to know what it is. 10th was a PDP day. We had date night, and I saw one of my old friends. So I just popped the number flag on there now, so that I could put the sticker over it. So we're then going to jump to the 14th, where we had self-defense at Rangers, and then the Rangers were being really annoying. So I'm just going to put this side eye cat leaning in from this side. And then let's put in one of the birthday labels, which I'm just going to use as a appointment label, because the sticker's going to go over there. There. 15th, I don't have anything. 16th, the cats came to stay in mine and my boyfriend's bedroom because my mum's friend was coming to stay, so that's on the 16th. 17th is just my mum's friend being here. 21st, we did a murder mystery at Guides. On the 22nd, we hadn't got the important results about Felix when we'd been told we were going to have them. But on the 23rd, we did get them, and it was good news. I went to see my granny to show her some pictures of Felix. Because we hadn't shown her, because we hadn't told her what was going on. So they're the things I'm going to mark on the 23rd. God, I kill through these kits, don't I? I use so many stickers in this monthly spread. Like, they're just not... The kits are designed to do like a normal monthly spread, not a memory monthly spread, so when you mark a billion things, you don't run out of stickers. I always have enough, and I end up just sometimes getting the checklists down, but I always feel a little bit short at this point in the month. On the 24th, I had a phone call with an old friend who I hadn't heard from or hadn't spoken to for a while, so that was really nice, and I think I'm not going to use that. I think I'm going to use an appointment label. 28th, I've not got anything. 29th was the Great British Bake Off final, and I'm going to mark that in a half box. Might seem a bit excessive for a like full box, but it's what I want to use, so I'm going to. In fact, I'm going to pull that down. This is super extra because really does a final of a TV show really require to take up all of the space in a box. But I love it, so it's fine. On the 30th, I did lots of sticker producing. And the 31st was Halloween. So I didn't actually see where my camera cut out, so if you missed that, I'm sorry, but I have placed this sticker super wonky, so I'm going to peel it up and try again, if it will peel. There we go, that's better. So that is the first half of the week, so I'm going to turn over and do the second half now, which always is slightly less, but I do feel very short boxes, so we'll see how we get on. So on the 4th, I had another super productive day, and the 5th we had a choir concert. I'm going to use the half box for the choir concert. I was debating where to use it though, which is why I'm doing the 6th first, because I was like, So just going to pop the script across the top of the box. And the 5th super productive day, I'm going to use one of the mini flags. No, I'm going to use one of the chunky flags actually. I've still got quite a lot of these left, so should use them up. Just to mark my productive day. It was meant to be on the 4th, not the 5th. That's there. So jumping to the 11th. I did a vlog on that day on my Instagram channel, and I don't know whether any of you watched it, but basically it ended up being one of my most productive days pretty much ever. I'm gonna do the same as I did on the 10th. It's weird, isn't it, how this was completely random which days I did it on. It was just because I'm using clear foiled stickers, but it was the 10th and the 11th that I wanted to put the flag down first. And then I think I'm just gonna use the last mini flag just to bring a tiny bit more colour into this box there. for my productive day. There we go. That's the 11th. The 12th, me and my boyfriend went on a bike ride, but I don't seem to have pulled a sticker out for that. And on the 13th, we opened a joint account. How exciting is that? So it's for our joint account, and I'll pull out a sticker for a bike ride in a little bit. On to the 18th. That was the day that Felix was born, and he deserves to have my last like half box. This box is never going to fit everything I want to in, with still seeing those washies, but oh well. So that's for Felix being born. Then I'm just going to mark that he needed antibiotics and about the testing, which watch my video of that week if you want to know a bit more about. I don't really want to go into it on this video. On the 19th, I went to visit Verity and Felix in hospital, which again I feel kind of like would deserve a big box, but maybe I should use a flag actually. I've still got 3 flags left. And then the 20th we had a choir workshop, and what's the word I'm looking for? A choir workshop, and went out for dinner. With the choir workshop with dinner. With like people from choir. That's the word. That's the word. Last few days, the 26th was what was meant to be, it was meant to be a weekend event called Spooky Sleepover, but it ended up just being a day event on the 26th. So I'm just gonna mark that. No, it was on the 27th. Yeah, because it was meant to be overnight to the 26th to the 27th, so it must have been on the 27th. Which also means I've got way too much to mark on this, because we went out for a meal as well. But instead what I'm going to do is, I got my new silhouette on the 27th as well, but I'm actually going to mark it. No, or did I? Did I get on the 26th? Oh, I don't know. I've lost all ability to know days of the week apparently. And I'm going to use my very last flag to mark that. There we go. So that is everything. Let's open her up. So that's how we're looking at the moment. So now time to try and fit my 6 full boxes in. So one can fit there nicely. I'm probably just going to speed up while I do this. Cool. So that is those bits of full boxes down. Kind of want to pull another one in here, but I just no, because there's one there. I kind of want another one on this side, but it's quite full, so I think it's just gonna have to be like that. I can't find my scissors currently, otherwise I'd cut up this full box to use as bits of deco, but I might do that in a bit. So next we're gonna throw the rest of my washi in and fill the rest of the gaps. I was going to pull in this washi, but I don't think I am, just because there's not that much space, so I'm going to leave it off. Because otherwise there's just going to be tiny bits of other colours, and I'd rather have a bit more of a few less washes. Cool, so I think that will do for bits of washi. So now I need to decide if I'm going to put in any of these overlays. I'm kind of tempted to put like moon phases over this strip here. So I actually think that will do, and then I might just put in some of these little sparkles as well. Cool, so I think that will do. So let's give a Viv wiggle before the pen. So shiny. So Viv wiggle. Love it. So let's write everything in now. So that is the completed spread. So I did pop the date dots on as well. So left over from this kit, I've got the Sunday start strips, I've got the holidays and 2 date cover-ups there. I've got another date cover-up, all the bill dues, paydays and icons, the sidebar, functional sidebar and the headers. So let's just run through where everything is from. So the kit is from Plannerface. I don't think I said at the beginning, but I do PR for Plannerface, so I do get a discount for promoting her stickers. But it does mean that you can use Tilly10 to save at Plannerface as well. All of the foil is from my shop Tilly Journals. Again, sort of an advert. And yeah, let's just run through. So this is Philo Fabulous, Coffee Monsters Co., Foctus, which is Fox and Cactus, Once More With Love, Foctus, Once More With Love, Foctus, Crafty Rat Designs, Mine, Crafty Rat Designs, Once More With Love, Little Thoughts Store, Ginger Cat Co., Once More With Love, Coffee Monsters Co., The Paperly Fox, Pickle Planner, Papershire, Once More With Love, Sticky Acorn, Harriet Wright Designs, Crafty Rat Designs, Harriet Wright Designs, Foctus. That's that page. On this page we have Foctus, handcrafted by Cherie, Once More With Love, Foctus, handcrafted by Cherie, JD's Crafts, Foctus, Strawberry Lime Designs, and you haven't pulled out that sticker. Can't remember where that choir is from. This is my custom from Coffee Monsters Co. that I've made into stickers. Samantha May Sticks. I don't remember where this sticker's from. I use them all the time. I should really just remember the shop name, but I don't. Foctus, Papershire and Harriet Wright Designs. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this spread. I'm really pleased with how it's come out. I really like the little star sparkles up in October. And yeah, so let me know down below how your October was. I got a nephew. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!